Alright, so here's another video on how you're able to edit your PDFs in the Google Classroom, keep them in the Google Classroom, and submit in the Google Classroom. You won't need to download the attachments and send me a separate email. Everything can be done here. So the first thing you're going to do is open up the assignment that you'll be working on, and if you notice that it's a PDF file, you'll open it up. And this won't be here, but you'll type Texthelp PDF, and this will pop up and it'll ask you to download it or to add the extension, and you'll click here. So I've already added it, so that's why it's asking me to rate it. But once you've added it, it'll say you're connected, okay? And then you'll be able to open with Read and Write for Google Chrome. It'll take you to this PDF Reader Extension installment page. You'll click Install Now. You'll add it to Chrome, add extension, okay, and then the next thing you're going to do is you'll click on your extension that you've just added. You can click on these three dots, More Actions, click Options, and you'll check these two boxes so that all three boxes are checked. Open Web PDFs, Enable Classroom Integration, Open Classroom PDFs directly. Okay, you'll exit, and you can exit these tabs, and you can go back to your exercise. You can refresh the page. I don't think it makes a difference though. You'll click on the assignment, and then it'll be your first time signing in with Texthelp, so that it allows you to have access to your Google Drive. So when you open up the page, you'll read your directions, whatever the PDF file is asking you to do, and you can start filling in your answers. Okay, so if there's something you need to type in, T for typewriter, if there's anything you need to circle, you have your freehand drawing, you can choose the color. Okay, and then once you go through the documents, do whatever it is you need to do, all you need to do is hit the hand in button. So if you're a teacher following these instructions, you need to do the same steps on your end with your browser. You must also add the extension, and then you must also click on those two boxes so that all three boxes are checkmarked. That's the only way the student will be able to see the hand in button. So once you click on hand in, we have to go back to the assignment and click Turn In. So if you were to open up the PDF file again, the changes we made will be there. Okay. So again, once you're done, it'll bring you back to the Google Classroom. Just make sure you hit Turn In. And there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Send me an email, message me. Thank you.